being in there, and basically it started off with him just doing weird stuff to himself, and then as he got more popular, he...
Her bite some cows.
Cattle dogs bite cows, that's
He'll
what
get
they do.
kicked out.
Their dogs will probably run down and join him. That's what cattle, like border collies bark. They, like, yeah, nip at the hooves.
I am going to get that camp blanket out.
Tell us where we are. Remember where this is going.
Right.
Oh, a fly. So here's our blog for today after our camp overnight. So very quiet, as you can see in the background. Hey, Marie's had brekkie. She's got a full belly. See? Hey, tell us where we are.
Running Creek Parklands.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, hit that like button.
Yeah, t-shirt. Sun hat, beanie, gloves, shorts or trousers, 3 pairs of socks.
Okay viewers, time for our cooking segment for tonight. So tonight we're having chicken and veg. So let me show you what we've done so far. So here's our chook in our pot. So I've chopped up the veggies. I just got a chicken from a local farmer and I've deboned the chicken. Don't ignore that one. As well as made my own marinade, and I've had that marinating now for all day in the pot, ready to go. So we've just started our coals. So I went out in the bush and chopped up some wood earlier on. Don't worry about the fire bags. And got our coals started here. And here's Mum.
Did you make the wine as well?
Having a wine. Yeah, I pressed the grapes earlier on and made some wine. So I'll show you the result of the cook later on. All out. Cheers.
Okay, so here's what's happening with the chicken. Just creating some coals. Oh my God, was that a fart? He just farted as he's putting the coals on the chicken. So I'm filming with wine in hand as we're putting the coals on the chicken. Have you got coals on the bottom?
Coals
oh
on the
yeah,
bottom.
yeah. I hope that's not the pooper scooper that you're using for the coals.
What's the purpose scooper?
Get a little shovel.
I need to get that lid up again.
We've got to get some more coals happening. Okay, so we've had to light the fire to get some more coals going. So we use the
Time-honoured traditional method.
of flint stone.
No, with a bit of twig.
Yep, that twig got it going, no problem whatsoever. Just a bit of flint, a spark, and boom.
Okay, the moment you have all been waiting for. Hey, here we go.
Oh my God, that looks delicious.
Look at that. Hey, I caught and killed that chicken myself. Hey, shadow. Okay, guys, well, we'll go now, but don't forget, subscribe and like. Leave your comments below. Cheers.